What's good, Soul Squad? It's Drew. I'm back on the video. Today my mother made the Popeyes chicken sandwich. She made her version, and I'm about to tell y'all how it tastes. It look good, and I'm hungry, so I'm about to crush this. Look at it. Oh my gosh.
Do a thumbnail.
Did a thumbnail? This look good. So yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all my feedback, my honest feedback, and you always gotta have a cold bottle of water beside you. All right. Look at that. The toasted on the toasted bread. Hold up. Where the napkins at? That's good. Oh wow. So you see, I don't even gotta go to Popeyes. I got it right here. She giving me a napkin. That's messy. Thank you. Oh man, it's messy. Well, all right, but yeah, this is good. I can already tell y'all that now. The pickle complemented well with the sauce, and yeah. That's juicy. You heard me? It's juicy.
Oh, I ate one already.
Oh, you ate one? Oh. Oh man, it's good. Dog, them pickles on there. Hold up. Ain't not like a home cooked meal. And I'm full already, but I'm about to eat this. It's good.
It's big.
It's a huge sandwich, y'all. Like, and I don't know, my brother about to eat 2 of them. It's a big sandwich. You got some more napkins? More napkins? Oh. Gosh. Whew. Get that pickle back on there. It's messy. Oh man. The skin.
Because you put extra salt.
I put extra sauce on it, y'all. She had nothing to do with the sauce, but it's good. Can't stress that enough. It's really good. I think we got more meat than we got bread though, but it's all good because the meat still got the flavor. Oh man. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh man, that was good. Like I said, I didn't even have to go to Popeyes. This was good.
I'll be trying to go say, you think this is good? This is good.
I'm full.
It's a big sandwich.
Yeah, it was big. Whew. So remember, y'all, that was good. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.